morning, Year 3. Welcome to Maths today. So, we've been looking at our 4 times tables so far, and this is all in preparation for our 8s, okay? The better that we know our 4s, just like we spent a lot of time exploring our 2s, the better we're going to be at our 8s. And this week, towards the end of this week, we're going to start exploring the connection, okay? So, it's vital that we are super strong on our 4s. So, today you have a range of questions. Really think about the questions today and don't get upset if you find them a bit strange or a bit confusing. Just give them a good go, all right? So, first set of questions should be rather straightforward. We're very good at our times tables in Year 3. So, we are getting stronger and stronger and stronger at our 4 times tables. So, we should be able to whiz through these 3 questions and answer them straight away. 2 times 4 is 8, well done. 6 times 4 is 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Good, well done if you beat me there. 8 times 4 or 4 times 8, 4 lots of 8. 32, well done. Okay, now we're going to be looking at a little bit of division. So 20 divided by 4, all that's asking you, how many 4s in 20? If it's not immediately in the forefront of your brain, if you can't straight away think, oh, how many 4s in 20, you can count in 4s until you get to 20 and that will give you your answer. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. There's my answer, it's 5. And just to double check that I've got that right, 5 times 4 is 20. Yes, that sounds about right because I also know my 5 times tables. 36 divided by 4 then, similarly, you can count in your 4s all the way up to 36, okay? If it helps you to write down your 4s on the sheet somewhere, so you could write 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. If that would help you work out some of these answers, I know that helps some of us in the class, then please do that, okay? You can do that and that will help you answer these questions. So how many 4s in 36? Lots of you will be screaming at the screen at me, I'm sure. The answer is, of course, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 4s are 36, or 36 divided into 4 equal groups is 9. Okay. We're going to rub this bit off now. You should find that fairly straightforward. Then you have a question that looks like this. My favourite kind of question, okay? I love a bit of mystery. I love figuring things out. That's the best thing about maths. So, you have a triangle times a spiral is 24, okay? Fine. Have no idea at the moment. And then a spiral times a spiral is 16. You might choose, the way to do this, you might say, okay, I'm just going to try some times tables and see if it works. You could do that. But I would think that this second one here is a little easier to figure out to start with, okay? Because if we find out what these spirals are, we'll find out what this one is. So, the reason I've said start with this one is because these two are the same. Something times the same thing is 16. So, thinking about 16, do you know any 2 numbers that are the same that times together to make 16? Let's try. 1 times 1, the same number. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, so it can't be that one. Let's try 2. 2 times 2, the same number. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, can't be that one. 3 times 3, what do you think? 3 lots of 3 is 9. Well done you for being quick there. Let's try 4. 4 lots of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. Oh, 4 times 4 is 16. The same number twice equals 16. So that must mean that the spiral is equal to 4. So this is 4 times 4. So that also means that in the top one, this is 4. So now we can work out what the triangle is. How many 4s are there in 24? What number times by 4 is 24? Let's count. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So you will find that the triangle is 6, okay? You have a similar problem to this in your learning today, so give it a go. Trial and error maybe might work, or you might be able to figure it out a different way, okay? Give it a go. And then finally, on your task today, you have a section called Win Some House Points, okay? I'm not going to give you any help for that section as there are slightly different questions in there, but if you'd like to win lots of house points, then please check that out. I hope you all saw Miss Hallett's awards assembly on Friday that I put the link up for. Well done, you guys who won, and well done, Sophie, for getting the certificate. I'll be on the lookout for someone else this week, so do keep up the hard work. You're all working so hard, and we shall win some house points today, okay?